Back at my job in Alexander Palace, just doing a couple of bits here, just terminating here by myself, doing some terminating, second fixing. Just a couple of things. One of them, these new USB sockets. Has anyone noticed that they're slightly bigger? I've had to make sure that I get bigger boxes, deeper back boxes, to accommodate the fact that they're a little bit wider, deeper. Here's one, this bit here. Now, if your wires come up from the bottom, as mine often do, you will find that when you push these in, that distance there catches on the socket, on the wires that are coming up. So unless you've got a deeper box, you're always going to have that. I don't know if you can see that depth issue. That extra little bit, I'm sure it's because of the fact that it's a USB box. These aren't particularly expensive ones. My local supplier had these, and I got them. The client wanted some, all his boxes USB, so I put all these new ones in this loft conversion as USB. Yeah, so we've just done that. But just wanted to know if anyone else had noticed that. Or if it was just me, or if it's the brand, or if there's another brand that's slimmer or what, but I haven't really noticed any that are slimmer. I've noticed them as deep as the one I've just got there. They're slightly bigger, so it's something to note. Yeah, and if anyone knows any that are the same depth as the older ones, or if I'm mistaken, let me know. Because I certainly haven't seen any that are smaller. So just folding over my ends, and yeah, finish this off. This bit of the job's always the bit that you find a bit boring, nothing really exciting. It's got to be done now. Got to be done. So yeah, once I've got this socket to do, I've got a light fitting up top to do. I've done the 4 spotlights, and then I've just got to test the lighting circuit, test the ring circuit, and that's it. Because all we've actually done is added 3 sockets and 4 spotlights. Although we've stripped this place right the way back, all we've actually done is added